What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1, digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're taking a look at GutenKit, a WordPress plugin that transforms Gutenberg into a no-code website builder without slowing down page speed. Raise your hand if you've ever been personally victimized by ultra-clunky, super laggy, no-good website builders. Lucky for you, GutenKit packed with dynamic blocks, modules, and templates that are easy to use. This lightweight, great plugin transforms Gutenberg into a full-blown page builder without slowing your site down. You get instant access to over 65 blocks, 18 modules, and more than 500 ready-made patterns and templates. All you got to do is pick your poison from the template library and hit import. And just like that, you've got a wicked cool design ready to go live. With Gutenberg Kit, even a total newbie can build dynamic websites. Just use the Query Loop Builder to display posts and pages by type, author, text economy, meta queries, and more. Want a user-friendly site navigation? Use the Nav menu feature to add custom menu items with unique labels and links, along with links to existing pages. You can even build out mega menus for more advanced navigation, like expandable two-dimensional drop-downs, multi-column and multi-tab menus, carousels, and more. Are you trying to land more freelance gigs or scale your web design agency? Then check out GutenKit's Tier 3 plan. With this, you can build unlimited sites, which means unlimited clients and unlimited cash money for life. Okay, let's run through a few more features. You've got loads of flexible layout options like grid, slider, flex, and block. Not to mention the sick dynamic content capabilities like parallax effects, scrolling effects, and fancy animations. No need to hire a web designer when you've got GutenKit on staff. And all of GutenKit's blocks and templates integrate smoothly, so you can edit everything in the WordPress full site editor. That way, your site loads faster, ranks higher on search engines, and is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. If crummy website builders and coding stuff sounds like an absolutely miserable time, then this lifetime deal is for you. Just click that Buy Now button to claim this killer discount to GutenKit today.